So however long ago it was, I planted fall beans. I planted tenderettes over here in the raised bed that did nothing this year for my garlic. So anyhow, with that, I've got beans on. These are beautiful beans. Maybe it's because I've caught them early. Maybe it's because I ain't procrastinated. Maybe it's because these can get some water. Maybe it's because the bugs ain't found them over here. I don't know the reason. I just know these are beautiful beans. I mean, seriously, I'm so excited. I don't even have that many plants out. Next year, definitely going to plant again and more, since this is easy peasy for me here. But look at this. I mean, seriously, beautiful beans. If I had time, I'd do more. But I know, because it's getting cold at night, I ain't going to have time to pick a whole nother section. And plus, I just broke that one. But where there's a flower, there will be a bean. So this is going to produce for a little while yet. Hopefully the frost can stay off of them for a while. This has some really beautiful ones on it. Look at these. Heck yeah. This is the best news I've had in my garden all year long. That's awful. But anyhow, these will be perfect canned beans. I'm excited. But that's it. Fall harvest beans. Even though it's technically still summer. It don't matter. They're beautiful.